Hey, wonderful people. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that is generating or creating a QR code of your LinkedIn profile. So yes, we are going to do this interesting thing using the Python language. And what is the benefit of creating the QR code of your LinkedIn profile? Let's imagine that you are a job seeker, you are looking for a job, and you create the QR code of your LinkedIn profile. You share your resume with the employer. So what you can do, you can paste this QR code somewhere on your resume, and under the QR code, you can write it down, my LinkedIn QR code. So once the employer is going through with your resume, what they can do, they can simply scan the QR code and they can land it over to your LinkedIn profile. So how cool is it? And it is not just limited to the LinkedIn profile. You can create a QR code of your Naukri.com, your Founded.com, or Monster.com. If you have a YouTube channel, you can create a QR code of your YouTube channel. If you have an Instagram profile, you can create a QR code of Instagram profile. You can create a QR code of your Facebook profile. If you have a blog, if you have a website, you can create the QR code of the website as well. So let's assume it's something like that. Like somebody is asking you, hey, can you share your LinkedIn profile with me? And you go to your LinkedIn profile, you copy the URL, and you share the URL with that particular person. So instead of doing this, you can say, hey, here's the QR code of my LinkedIn profile or my Instagram or my YouTube channel. You can just scan it and land it over to my profile. So how cool is it? So without any further delay, let's jump on to our VS Code. Over here, we will be writing that code, which will create the QR code of LinkedIn profile. So in order to generate that QR code, we are going to use a library that is qrcode, right? So over here, what I will do, I will first install that library, that is QR code library, right? So to install that library, we will write here pip install QR code, right? And shift enter. So it will install the library. It will take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed and the system configuration, right? All right, so library has installed. So now what we need to do, we need to import this library. So import QR code and shift enter. It has imported. Let's create a variable that is QR, and over here we will be making the QR code of my LinkedIn profile. So over here I will write it down, QR code dot make, and what I need to make, I need to make the QR code of my LinkedIn profile. All right. So over here, you can use any link or any name that you wish to create the QR code, right? So here I'm creating the QR code of my LinkedIn profile. So I have used it something like that. So now save this QR code, right? So over here, I will be saving it qr.save, and I will save it with my name. So Vipin, and I want to save it with the JPG format. So JPG, right? So now over here, it is creating the QR code of my LinkedIn profile. And over here, it is saving the QR code in the JPG format in my local drive. All right. So now if I hit on run, so it has run successfully. And now look at the QR code that it has generated. So over here, you can see this is the QR code it has generated. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this QR code, right? So it is opening, it has opened. So what I will do now, I will scan this QR code using my mobile camera, and I will also record this screen capturing of my mobile, right? So that you can see that I am scanning it, right? So now I'm scanning it, and then over here, you can see it is showing me my LinkedIn profile. So I click on it, and then, so now you can see it has opened my LinkedIn profile, all right? So yeah, so we can do one more additional step over here. So right now it is saving this QR code in my local drive, right? So what I want, after saving this QR code, the Python code should open this QR code, right? So we can modify our code. So for that, we have to import one more library, that is from PIL import, that is image, right? So we want to import the image type of file. So that's why we are using this library. And over here, what we can do, we can open up our QR code, right? So here I can do it something like this, QR, let's say image equal to image dot open, and over here write the name of your file. So what is my file name? My file name is vipin.jpg. So instead of vipin.jpg, let's do it vipin. Save one more QR code, right? Vipin LinkedIn, right? So this is the file name and this is the file name I want to open up, right? So now what it will do, it will save the QR code with this new name, which is Vipin LinkedIn. And after that, it will open up this QR code for me. So over here, QR_image dot show, right? So we want this to show up, right? Now import this library, run, and then over here, hit on run again. So now you can see it has opened the QR code of my LinkedIn profile. So now look at over here, it has saved two QR code of my profile. So first I saved with Vipin name and second I saved with Vipin LinkedIn, right? And this is how you can create a QR code of anything. Let's say you want to create a QR code of your name. So instead of giving the URL, you can write it down your name, right? You can create a QR code of your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, blog, website, e-commerce platform. This is how you can create the QR code using the Python. So I hope this video is interesting and you learned something new or you like this video. So do not forget to give me the thumbs up on this video and subscribe my channel. That would be helpful for me. Okay, have a wonderful day or night, depending on your location. So happy learning. Meet you in the next video.